Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials in place. Make sure the LG TV and the PC are on the same network or have an HDMI cable ready. Next, choose your path: HDMI for reliability, Miracast for direct Windows wireless casting, or a remote access app if you need full desktop control. Once chosen, enable screen sharing on Windows or install your remote app on the PC, and prevent the PC from sleeping, so the connection stays alive while you proceed. Now you execute the middle steps. If using HDMI, plug in and pick the TV input, then tweak display resolution and scaling for 16:9 screens. For Miracast, open Windows Project Connect and pair the TV's screen share service. Make sure both devices accept the handshake. If you chose a remote app, install and sign in on the PC, enable unattended access or remote codes, and test a local connection first so you confirm credentials and latency before relying on it. Finish by confirming audio routing and crisp video, adjusting resolution on the PC so text is readable on the TV, and locking power settings to prevent sleep. For best performance, use Ethernet or a 5 GHz wireless band and close background apps that hog CPU or upload. If you can't connect, restart both TV and PC, temporarily disable the firewall to test, and fall back to HDMI if wireless pairing still fails. This isolates network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.